Want to transcribe audio or video automatically, including timestamps, and even translate it into another language? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that using bookoly.com's transcribe audio or video feature inside make.com. This is great for repurposing content, adding captions in different languages, analyzing spoken content, or simply turning speech into usable text, fully automated. As usual, we'll use Google Sheets to keep things structured and flexible. Our sheet will contain the following columns: title, the name of the transcript; media URL, the public, downloadable audio or video file; text, this will store the original transcript; translated text, this will store the translated version, if selected; timestamped transcript, this holds the full transcript with timestamps. The automation will automatically populate the last three columns using Bookoly. Let's build the automation together. Inside make.com, start by selecting the Google Sheets app and choose the Watch New Rows module. This will trigger the scenario whenever a new row is added to the sheet. Select your spreadsheet and the correct sheet name. Set the limit to 1 to only process one row at a time. When asked where to start, select All to process any newly added rows going forward. Now select the Bookoly app and choose the Transcribe Audio or Video module. Map the title to the name field, and map the media URL from the sheet. For the language, select the language spoken in the media. In this example, that's English. Then choose a translation language if you want one. We'll select Spanish, so Bookoly also translates the content for us. Bookoly will now transcribe the content, generate timestamps, and translate the text, all fully automated. Add the Wait for Transcript Generation module and map the transcript ID from the previous step. This pauses the automation until Bookoly finishes processing the transcript. Next, add the Google Sheets app again and choose the Update a Row module. Select your spreadsheet and sheet name. Map the row number from the first module and then map the following fields: text, the original transcript; translated text, the translated version; timestamped transcript, the full transcript with timestamps. After that, click Auto Align and save the scenario. Let's test the scenario. We'll use one of the videos we created earlier in this series, the one with a voiceover and subtitles. Let's preview the video to confirm the spoken content.
You know what I love most about my white poodle? When I'm sad, she curls up right next to me like she knows. It's like having a fluffy little best friend who just gets you.
I'll paste the video link into the sheet and give it a name. Head over to make.com and click Run Once to run the automation. Bookoly will process the video, transcribe the voiceover, translate it into Spanish, and return all results to the Google Sheet automatically. Once the scenario finishes, you'll see all three fields filled in: the text, the translated text, and the timestamped transcript. You can preview it right in your sheet, or let's take a look directly on bookoly.com. Go to the Transcripts section and click on the transcript we just created. Here you'll find the full transcription, the translation, and the breakdown with timestamps. You can simply click on any text block to copy it to your clipboard, or download the entire transcript as a text file with all content included. And that's it. You've just learned how to automatically transcribe and translate media using bookoly.com and make.com. In the next video, we'll combine multiple audio tracks using Bookoly. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who works with audio or subtitles. Thanks for watching.